Hi friends, this is Donzella from at Miss Donzella Cooks, and today we are having for dinner some smothered cabbage. It's an old-fashioned southern recipe, and what I've done is rendered down some bacon and some andouille sausage that we're going to use. And so in our pan, here's the oil from those sausage. And now what we're going to do is start putting in our cabbage that I've already washed and dried the best I could. And just put those in that oil, stir them around. This is an easy southern dish, just simple cabbage, andouille sausage, a little bacon for the flavor. And just cook it down like so. And as your cabbage cooks down, keep adding it to the skillet. We also have some sliced onions. We're going to put those in there too. You can dump those onions in there now. And we'll season this up once it's all finished. So let's continue stirring our cabbage now. You don't need any water or anything in your cabbage because your cabbage is a vegetable that has a lot of water in it. And you don't want to cook your cabbage too done. You want it to have a little crunch to it. Okay, and as that cooks down, you just keep adding some more cabbage, just like that. Simple. You just take a small head of cabbage, slice it up. And this makes a great meal. Add a side like some cornbread, and you have a good meal. If you can keep it all in the skillet, as I'm jumping mine out the skillet. But yeah, friends, it's very simple, easy. You just keep turning your cabbage like so. And it cook down. And let's say, as I said, as it cooks down, you want to add the rest of your cabbage, and that's what you do. Just keep cooking it like so. Easy meal for weeknights, weekends. Let's see if we can adjust that. There we go, so you can see it a little bit better, friends. There we are. And as you can see over here, I have some bacon that I used to render down because I wanted the oil and the flavor. And then I have these andouille sausage that we're going to put in here. So now we're going to add the rest of our cabbage, just like that. And friends, cabbage cooks pretty quickly. And this is a healthy meal. As I said, if I can keep it in the skillet. Just keep cooking it down like so. This is looking good. Take that from the bottom and bring it to the top. It's exactly the way it should be looking. This is exactly what we want. And friends, we're going to season it now. And since your bacon and sausage is a little salty, we're just going to use a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt. Just a little bit, not too much. We're going to season it with some black pepper. And a little bit of slap your mama for a little spiciness to it. Just a little bit. I'm just going to add a little bit of this Mrs. Dash extra spicy, so like a little pepper in mine. There we go, and that's pretty much all we need, friends, for our seasoning. And this is cooking down really good. Just want to stir it around really well. And just keep cooking it down, like so. Give that a stir. It's looking good. Okay, you want to cook as much of this water out of here as you can. All right. And now we're going to add our sausage. And I drain the oil off of this. Just drop them in there like so. Let's turn this off, because we are done. And here you have it, friends. Smothered cabbage with andouille sausage and bacon. All right. Everything is plated up just like this. Let's get a little better. And there you have it, friends. A simple, easy, delicious meal. We have our smothered cabbage with andouille sausage and bacon, and we have a nice slice of cornbread to go with it. For more videos like this, easy, simple weeknight recipes, budget friendly, check out my YouTube channel at Miss Donzella Cooks. And thank you, friends, for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And thank you again for coming by.